Watch out, little runners.
They got little tiny tails.
Oh, he's pooping. I got you pooping on camera, dude. I wonder if that'll be okay for YouTube. I've never seen one in life before. That is the first time I've ever seen a bison. Yeah. There can be only one Highland cow. Of course, I'm still wearing mine, so. Yeah. You want to take pictures? I'm going to take a picture with my phone too. Hello, bison.
Oh, really close.
Yeah, really close. That's what I'm saying. Look down.
Look at it.
Now we're going into another section. There'll be different animals. He's got some horns. Those are like freaking Tim Curry and Legend horns. There we go. Hey, buddy. A path has been carved between it. I wonder what happened there. Hello.
We'll see the giraffes. We'll drive past. He don't have any horns.
Because he's just a baby. The babies don't need horns. Wow. Look at this. Yeah. Look at the size of those things. Yeah, see, he is. He's herding them. Breeding marsh and training area. Oh, that one's peeing. Look at that stream. Holy crap. Oh, the other one's peeing now too. They pee in groups. The white one and the black one are kissing through the fence.
Dromedaries have one hump. Camels have two humps.
I don't know what you are, but you are big. Alright, you're not as taller than the car than I thought. Driving up on him, he looked huge. There is stuff hiding in the cypress forest. Yeah, that male is. The males are chasing the females.
That one's pretty. Look at his head. Black and white.
Yeah. Oh, she just went under the fence. A whole bunch of them. Dozens of them.
See them, buddy? Yeah.
What's up, dude? Alligator breeding marsh, home of rescued nuisance gators. Because we took our sweet ass time and it only took an hour.
Only one.
What's happening, everybody? So today we are at Wild, Florida.
She said it takes an hour and a half at 5 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Oh, look at over here. Would it beep if I take off my phone?
No, I think we're going slow enough it won't matter.
Then we'll take it off.
Wow, they are close. Bunch of ducks.
Here on the right. On the left.
Yeah.
Laying down.
Oh yeah. Well, this is perfect. If I don't touch anything, my car drives at 5 miles an hour. Look at all that poop. Lots and lots of poop. I'm photographing. I am. Hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Mama.
Would it be all right if you didn't have that in the window for while we're here?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, that's what.
Jesus Christ, that's hot. Oh my God. Ow, ow, ow. Let me, ooh. That actually burnt my fingers a little. Sucker is hot. Whew. Okay, can we put it in the floorboard by under your feet or something?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, maybe it's just obstructing my view.
Yeah, that should be good. Oh, look. Over on the skeleton of a giant gator. This is a alligator breeding marsh. Rescued nuisance gators. Oh yeah, there's a gator on the bank and some gators up in up there. I'm recording. Hopefully I can zoom in.
So those are gators that were elsewhere that were bothering people, so they took them away and brought them here.
Right. Yeah. Sorry, that one was running over like it was about to hit us and then turned around the last minute. Maybe he was trying to show off. Somebody else want to? I'm gonna try to drive and record.
What, does that identify all the animals?
Yes.
Oh, look at all those live oak trees.
It has.
Those are old.
It has pictures of all the animals that are in here and
So your car will automatically avoid these rocks on the side?
I don't know. I doubt it. I'm not gonna try. I'm driving,
Okay.
and I can't turn all that stuff on anyway. There's parameters have to be met. You have to be going a certain speed, and you have to be.
Some of those branches are on the ground.
I know. Look at that one. It comes up and just stays on the ground the whole time. Those are some cool looking trees, though.
Those are live oaks.
Yeah, those are really old. Bees. Look at that palm tree. It comes out of the ground and then it stays on the ground until it hits the sand and then it comes up. It's like, I want to be at the beach first. Whee!
I was going to dad through wine companies. It was similar to this.
Oh, yeah?
And we had to stop because there were rhinos in the middle of the road. They didn't move. We had to stop and wait until they almost decided to move. So we could go.
I might end up passing this guy at some point. Like right now, I know what they're doing, but they don't need to be so. Like, okay, now I don't know what they're doing. If they were on the right side of the road, I would pass them. Well, they're in the middle of the road right now. This is actually the right side of the road. Yeah, those trees are cool. I wouldn't mind having some. Oh, they're pulling off to the side. They're like, okay. Yeah. Look at the one over under the tree. He's like, I'm just gonna sit in the shade. Leave me alone. That is a really cool ass tree, though. another don't pass this gate. There's all the animals can't walk across the for some reason. I don't know why.
They have closed.
Yeah, but you know, there's like the cliff jumper ones and stuff like that. You'd think that deer or any of them would be able to like place their footing, but I guess not.
May not see
Just want to stop long enough to make sure that my camera got that, you know. Yeah, there is. Where's Walter? Yeah, there's one on that side, right there on that tree. As soon as you said that, I'm looking at the Where's Walter side. Look at this over the lights.
Is that Wildebeest?
That's pretty cool.
Yes, that's Wildebeest.
It says, look closely, deer and elk are in this swamp on the left here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so is this the halfway? 1 mile to safari exit, extended safari. Yeah, let's do it.
This way then.
That's what we're doing. Alright, so there's the split. This is where you can choose to go back if you want. It still takes, she said, 40 minutes to get back or something, but that's the way to get back. Was it 12:30? Yeah, 12:30. So that's when we get out by now. Yeah, absolutely. Should be able to do it. Yeah. Can you hold? Well, never mind. It's fine. I'll try to hold it over your head. Oh.
Don't run over him.
I am not going to hit any of these things.
Those things, they must be really prolific. There's a bunch of them.
Yeah, you just walk it right in front of my car.
Yeah.
I'm going to come across so I can see them from here again. Wow, they are like right up here. Oh, watch out, little runners.
They got little tiny tails.
Oh, he's pooping. I got you pooping on camera, dude. I wonder if that'll be okay for YouTube. Are animals pooping allowed on YouTube? We're going to find out. A little bit, and the angle of it is pretty wide, so it's like you're already on it. There you are. Look. There's bison. Tatanka. Tatanka. There's a bunch of Tatanka. Oh, she gave you the guide. He's tired of the calling.
They're all tagged, so they'll know which ones are which.
Yep. I want to see this bison.
There's the bison.
Yeah, I wanted to get the close-up of him.
Yeah.
Like he just pushes the other deer out of the way, like, no, I'm the big guy.
Boy, he's hairy.
Yeah. Wow. I've never seen one in life before. It is the first time I've ever seen a bison. Please don't rush my car. It's brand new. I don't need dings.
Yeah.
No, I'm talking to the bison.
Oh.
I'm telling the bison not to rush my car. Please don't headbutt my car, Sir Bison. Are you ready?
Yes.
Wow, that is some thick fur. You can tell where they shear it. I wonder if they sell bison fur. You know, they'll shear it and make blankets or whatever, like the Indians used to do. There's some sleeping on the trees. Because their horns have, I was saying maybe it's because their horns have black in them. Maybe they have, a patch of black on their butt or something.
No, the horns are kind of actually good. I'll put this here if you want to record to it.
The split with the emus over there.
Yeah.
I guess it's healthier for the animals to just leave the pond stagnant like that, so they can develop bacteria and bugs.
Yeah, leaving it natural.
Yeah. Well, you know, you'd think in the wild there would also be running water, but there would I guess there is also the stagnant pond. So they have to all fight over the fight over the watering holes. There's a wild Florida truck over there following along. That red car's way up there now. They're like, we're not stopping for nothing. We can see the animals at 10 miles an hour.
Country, they had the rhinos were all loose like this.
Yeah, oh well. The wild Florida guy's like, I can cut right across. I don't care. I know where I'm going. He's purposely cutting us off because we're not allowed to record. I didn't see any don't record signs. I can't think of anything else. Oh wow. What? I thought it was just another bison until just now.
Well, let's see if we can see what it is.
I'm gonna put that right there.
Highland cow, native to rugged and mountainous regions of Scotland. In other parts of the British Isles.
Wow. He's moving his head around. He looks pretty cool.
I didn't know Scotch people had different cows.
Look, there's some albino ones back there with horns. There's a bunch of stuff in that little marsh area. Oh, another cow. What is it? Highland cow. Well, that doesn't make sense. There can be only one.
he's not.
There can be only one Highland cow. Wow, look at that. I'm going to set this right here. And I am going to get a picture of that too. You're welcome to scooch on, you know, this either side, take pictures however you want to do. There's no seat belts required at 5 miles an hour. Of course, I'm still wearing mine, so. Yeah.
He's bigger than that other one, isn't he?
I can't tell. We ready to move? All right. Oh, we're gonna let somebody pass us real quick. They're like, let's just keep moving. Oh, the little albino one's behind it. That is just really cool to me.
An albino
no, the little white deers. I don't know what they are. You got the book, Mama? Or she's got the book, or y'all have the book.
right here.
There's a book. You don't have to keep using it for me. I can't use it because I'm too busy.
Fallow deer. Those white ones, they're not albinos, they're fallow deer.
Fallow deer.
That's their normal color.
Buffalo. Tatanka.
Is it water buffalo?
Shumani Tutanka Owachi.
No, that's a bison.
What's the what's the difference?
Big difference between bison and water buffalo.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Oh yeah.
Okay, well I don't know what they are then. Mama's got the book.
Well, water buffalo have big long horns, and they're not fuzzy.
You want to take pictures?
Those are all bison. I can't see what you did. There's a water buffalo.
I'm gonna take a picture with my phone too.
Water buffalo has curly horns, and they're black. I don't see any in there. Do you?
I guess not. I don't know.
Here's what they look like. Water buffalo.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no,
Totally
definitely.
different.
Yeah, no. These are bison then.
Yeah, bison. Bison are not buffalo.
No.
I know that's what people call them.
You're absolutely correct, Mama. That is a buffalo. These are bison.
Right.
Now I know the difference, and I did not realize I already knew the difference. And some cows. Do you need me to stop, or was it blurry? Okay.
Blurry or not, I can't tell very well.
Okay, if you want to take another one, I'll stop and wait. There's a whole pack. Okay, yeah, go for it. I just know as soon as I let my foot off the brake, I heard click. And I'm like, oh crap, did I blur it? Yeah, no, I see him. Hello, Bison. Hello, little cute deers. Oh, look at this right here next to us, like a turkey. Can you see this one? Like a wild turkey down in the dirt right here. See him?
No.
Right here?
Oh, really close.
Yeah, really close. That's what I'm saying. Look down.
Look at it. Might be a wild turkey.
I don't have a look. Oh, look. What is that over there? Is that reindeer?
Oh, no, that's
It has
I saw that
reindeer type antlers.
That's axis deer.
Axis deer. Okay.
Axis.
All right, so now we're going to go into
Native to India.
now we're going into another section. It'll be different animals, or maybe be the same animals. It's just another section. I don't know. Oh, there's a. He's got some horns. Those are like freaking Tim Curry and Legend horns. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, turn your head, man.
Well, he's not in on the engine.
Oh, now he's turning completely around. Dang it, I should have stayed behind him. He kept turning his head this way, so I came over here, and now he's turned that way. Oh, wow, there we go. There we go. Hey, buddy.
He's not in the book.
Weird.
Maybe he's new.
That one's got pink eye. Oh, look at that one's horns. He's got one that's bent backwards. Mongo.
Here it is. I found it. It's a Watusi. He's not as big as the one we saw, but that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Watusi.
I thought it was that Mongo one at a glance.
Yeah, he's stripes.
Yeah.
He's good. So that other was very good.
Well, the colors can change. I was looking at trying to figure out who has the biggest horns.
This Watusi is from that. That's a big bump.
Well, look at that pile. Good Lord. Well, to quote Jeff Goldblum, that's one big pile. Look at that tree.
Yeah.
It's like a path has been carved between it.
Gee.
I wonder what happened there. That's weird. I like it. Look, they're hanging out the sunroof.
It looked like it was going down the middle of the track.
Yeah, then if you straighten them up, it didn't look like it matched. It looked like two trees, but their roots were split or something. I don't know, it was weird looking. I like it. Anything different is good. Somebody already ran over half of it. We're driving up on it. Hello.
We'll see the giraffes. We'll drive past the back of this one, the giraffe enclosure, and we will see it.
Did you want to look at the camera?
Hello, Camel. He's bored.
Yeah, he is. You ready?
Oh, there's the water buffalo.
Oh, there, yeah, down in the water. There's water buffalo.
Imagine that.
Wow.
Buffalo in the water.
Do you want to wait? Do you want to get a picture of them too? Okay. Wow. Well, imagine that, water buffalo are in the water. What are those trees? They're like a little shrine or something. It looks like somebody's going to perform a pagan ritual. Which sounds fun. Roundabout here. Some S-turns. There are definitely some sizable piles of poop around. I don't think my car is going to smell new anymore.
So you didn't drive through them, did you?
No, I mean, I'm just saying, we've got the windows down and airing it out, and we're driving around, and it's not going to smell like a car. That's what it kind of looks like, palm trees, huh? I'm not sure. Check out this guy's horns. Oh yeah, he's over there in the field. Yeah. Yeah, right back there. Wow, is that? Okay, no, it's not. For a second there, I thought that cow bull type creature was the camel. Yeah, I think it is. No, it's sniffing its leg, and yeah, it was nursing from that camel, and they're not the same species. That is strange. Unless it was, giving him a blowjob. I don't know if that's a guy or a girl, It's a camel. Well, that's what I'm saying. I don't know what it was sucking on, is what I'm trying to say. But it had its head down there. Oh, there's a little baby one. There's a little baby one.
There's a rock in front of us.
Yeah, I see it.
He don't have any horns.
Because it's a baby. The babies don't need horns. Can't tell if I got him in there or not. I think I do. Yeah, I do. Little baby. And the bighorn daddy. Or mama, that's the mama.
Oh yeah, it's got tits.
Yep. And then we get the zebras. The zebras, if you're Canadian. Oh yeah, that is, he's kind of red stripe almost.
So they're not even in here, but they're the very first thing listed. I can give you my pictures on the back if you want to look at them.
Oh, there's that. Thank you. Wow, look at those horn guys back there. There's a whole pack of them, plus a bison or something. Yeah, I'm gonna let them pass. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They were out the sunroof.
They got a good view.
The wild Florida guy is herding them. He was pushing them in his truck. Those are massive. Those things are huge. Yeah, see, he is. He's herding them. Still at an angle. I was waiting for them to move. Yeah, it's a breeding marsh and training area. There's enough of them to make a train. Look, they are swimming in there and they're sunbathing and just piled in. Damn, there are a lot of them. Good thing they get along. I guess that Wild Florida might be like maybe it's one of their special tours or something that you can set up, or maybe it is just an employee and his kids. I don't know. There's that one standing up there with his mouth open. There he is. He's going around to all the bighorn ones. I don't know if it's a bighorn information thing or is he actually herding them? I think he's herding them. Oh, that one's peeing. Look at that stream. Holy crap. Oh, the other one's peeing now too. They pee in groups. They must be women. They went off to the bathroom together. And then the white one and the black one are kissing through the fence. Yeah, so these things have to be in the book. That's pretty cool. So if it's an hour and a half at 5 miles an hour, how long is it going to take us? That's another feature about this car that I like. Oh, look at the big white one walking across the road. As long as I'm getting less than 10 miles an hour, I have a button I can press to turn my rear view. So I'm in drive going forward, but I can see my rear view.
Yeah. There's Camel.
Let me get out of the way of this guy.
It's a dromedary actually because it's only got one hump. Dromedaries have one hump. Camels have two humps. All these are dromedaries.
Oh, I didn't know. Okay. I thought it was different.
No, it's different.
Well, yeah, I thought it was different species, but I didn't know that it was a different species. I thought it was sometimes camels. It doesn't have a film on the bottom. You can see different. Seriously, that thing is taller than the car. Yeah. It's got horns. I don't know what you are, but you are big. Alright, you're not as taller than the car than I thought. Driving up on him, he looked huge. Part of him was the tree, though. Alright, beware of emus, ostriches, blah, 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 blah. Yep, alright. We're back into this area again. Okay, so yeah, that was the split. So you take the short route. This is where you would cut through.
1 mile to
Yeah, which means we just drove 1.5 miles. Because it said it was 2.5 miles going the other way. So we just did a little over 1 mile. I do like that swampy looking forest. They're growing something else back there. They got rows of something back there. Deer and elk. Yeah, I don't know. There's what? Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, I see it. Something brown moving back through there. Looks like an elk. Yeah, whitetail.
Whitetail here.
And there's a whole pack of little ones over here.
They're in the shade.
Oh, there's a tire. Just laying in the cypress swamp. Oh look, if you look through there, there's something white back there. Looks like another cow or something. Something big white cow back in that green field. And yeah, now see this water, it's just swamp. It's just sludge. It's just a film covering the entire. Oh look, there's a bird. Big black bird, like an emu or something back there, or ostrich, or I think it's an emu. It's right there. It's not really moving. Oh, there it is. It's moving. He's standing between the two trees, just right over there. Yeah, he's just staring at there. He moved his head. There is stuff hiding in the cypress forest. Yeah, I see some deers on the right there. Well, you were leaning forward. I figured I'd come up behind you. Yeah, that male is. The males are chasing the females.
One's pretty. Look at his head. Black and white.
Yeah. Oh, she just went under the fence.
There's the emus. They're big.
Oh wow, that's trippy. I've never seen the feathers hang down past the leg like that. Where you can see all the way up the... Yeah.
The baby had been, or what I'll call it a baby. It looks small.
Yeah, that's the one that was running from the male.
Yeah.
Yeah, she ducked under the fence, and now she's hanging out in here because the male didn't follow her. Oh, and then there's a little baby one in the road here. And a bunch of them. Look at that. Look to the left.
Yeah.
A whole bunch of them. Dozens of them.
See them, Bobby? Yeah.
There's a bunch of them laying down right here. There's one standing up there. Wow, there's a lot of them back there.
They hide well in there.
Yeah, they do.
Oh, it says there's elk in there too.
Yeah.
Elk are not even on the emus.
I'm pretty sure everything's before we gotta find it. Oh, he's got a blue head. That's pretty. He's got his own little triplet of trees. Say dromedary.
Camels with the hump, the game, behind the bed was hiding in the saddle.
Oh, Oh, the cat. Yeah.
Oh,
Yipper.
okay, gotcha.
Yeah. Where's the saddlebag with the panda face?
Yeah.
Okay, so we
there's
saw
no pandas
dromedaries,
here.
and now we're looking at camels.
Big difference.
There is a difference. And we're still, where's Walter? See this big guy with the horns over here, or the big horns over here?
Yeah.
He's got some tall ones. Oh, there's more of them. That's a weird little spot. In this area, this swamp on the left is a crocodile breeding area. It's not packed like that other one. I only see a couple of crocodiles surfacing here and there. Yeah, I don't know if they'll be big enough to be able to see on the camera, but there's definitely some crocodiles in that pond. And then some more of these horn guys on the right. Enjoy what we came here to see. Wildebeest. That's a guess. That's what I think they are. Oh, that one's looking right at us. What's up, dude? Wildebeest.
We haven't seen the Brahmas yet. Well,
Could be a Brahma. That's
no,
true. They are wildebeest.
We got ugly faces.
there's some ducks. Duck, 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 goose. I don't know, I saw some ducks. Alligator breeding marsh, home of rescued nuisance gators. Yeah, from the other side. Now we're on this side.
Remember the alligator named Dolly? Is there like over here?
No.
The alligator hurt. And the whole all had not gone. And then you remember Dolly?
Jolly.
Yeah.
That's funny. Oh yeah, down in the water there. Some kind of island over there. I'm not sure what's on it though. Is that like monkeys or I don't know.
Oh, lemurs.
Oh, is that where the lemurs would be then? Okay.
Yeah, that's true.
There's a closer. We're gonna drive around to it, I assume. Oh, did we find Walter? Yeah, we find him still. I don't see the lemurs, but I see the island for the lemurs over there on the left. We're going to pass by it again after we come out of this turn, I think. Unless that was the beginning and we missed it. Oh yeah, that's okay. So the lemurs were on that island to the left and we missed them because we had just driven in. And we were too busy looking at the water buffalo and stuff. Because now we're coming up, because there's the giraffe feeding area and this is the exit. Okay, see, we drove slow. And we took our time, we stopped several times, and that only took an hour. Not an hour. Why do they say because we took our sweet ass time and it only took an hour.
There's only one giraffe, the rest are
There's the girls that were hanging out in the sunroof.
Yeah, feeding the giraffes.
Yep. We hope you enjoyed the safari. Don't forget our gator park. I had a wonderful time at Wild Florida with my family. Thanks for watching, and subscribe. It's free. It helps me out. I'll post more cool shit later.